Bibi. Diba, you said you want to go to the swimming pool? Oh, your wish is granted. We're going to the
swimming pool.
Yay!
To the car.
Yes, later. We're celebrating your birthday. Okay. How old are you now?
I am 4 years old.
You're 5.
You're 5.
I am?
I am 4 years old.
5 years old. Yay!
Let's go!
Hi guys, this is me Alon. And here is my brother E. Tara! Together with our family, join us as we grow in this chapter which is called life. Marami kaming pagdadaanan at siguradong meron din kaming matututunan. Alan and Dave Family Vlogs.
Money.
Happy birthday, my baby.
Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday to
Why?
you.
Why?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. Kiss. Kiss. Love you, baby. Good morning, guys. Birthday ng living day at 6 AM na. Nasa loob ako ng tent. Guys. Siyempre, meeting natin yan mamaya dun sa resort. Dun sa Riverside Resort. Sa Twin City Resort tayo magsiswimming, guys. Dun sa Norizagaray, Bulacan. Yeah. Lang, buksan ko lang muna to. Guys. Ayan si Mami. Ma. Bindoy. Bindoy. Kaya kuya.
Sisi.
Ay, kakay kuya. Bindoy. Bakit? Siyempre guys, gagamitin natin itong sir. Ito yung tinawag ng twist tube speaker, guys. Ayan. E yung handa, malalaman nyo yan. Inday. Smile. What you doing?
Magtutupit muna.
Para saan yan?
Sa time ko, gagamitin natin yung mamaya. Yung sa resort. Yung puma. Yung tayo magsiswimming sa Twin City Resort na Rizagaray. Atlantic Resort. Tinapos ko na yung green aquahead ko, guys.
Ayan guys, nakapack na kami. Tito Tatan.
Yeah. Halo na rin mo dito. Dito na lang ito sa ilalim. Hindi. Iilalim mo na lang ba ito?
Dito ako uupo kasi ang init dito. Paano kaya dito ako? What we call?
Paa.
Where are we going? Twin CJ Resort. Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, baby! Bye! Wait lang.
Mayroon pang ano.
Saan ba tayo?
Lord sa garay. Mag-waste ka po ano, Kuya Alex. Yeah, easy to be. Go. Iwan yung bike niya.
How are you guys? What's up? Ready na?
Yes!
Okay, let's go! Galang kaway.
Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Deca Homes, Marilao. Ma!
Wala akong takot.
Uy! Tutatan. Yan.
Time check guys. 12:22 PM. Nagutom na ang aming birthday boy. Binawasan na po yung handa niya. Sushi. Ayan. How are you, kuya?
Hi. Okay lang ako, nag-waste ako.
Hi. Hi, ang dilim.
Guys, we're here na! Woo! May CR din guys. O naman, ayun.
You've arrived at your destination.
Guys, yung waste lang yung guys. So guys, ayan. Malalim naman dito yung
Sansibo.
mababaw naman dito yung ilog. Mababaw naman dito yung ilog.
We're here.
We're here!
Nasaan yung ano din?
Dito na tayo guys, sa Twin CJ Resort. Ayan. It's daddy oh.
Preparing your fire. Wait lang
Ito guys, magpapa na. Ay, sunog na naman balat natin guys. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Twin CJ Riverside Glamping Resort. So, ayan. Ito yung pool area guys. Dito yung pool area. Siyempre, baka naman mababaw naman yan guys eh. Ayan guys, nandito ako sa swing. Nagre-relax lang. Ayan. Meron silang pool area. Tapos ito may ATVs din sila. Ayan. Tapos may slide din sila. Pero mag-ingat lang kasi baka naman mainit yan. Kaya natin yung slide. Yeah.
God bless. Yay! Oh. Ayan guys, nandito ako sa pool area. Nagre-relax dito. Ayan.
I got sunshine all over my face. Blue skies and your eyes are the clearest.
Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Sing mo na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Yippee! Ablo, kunwari. Ablo!
It's a finding ano?
Okay, buksan na
Plate.
natin.
Finding plate, please.
Papay ko na may plate. Yeah! Kain natin.
Ako, kakain ako ng rice.
Tama ba spelling ng Bintoy? You ba?
Apo, te.
Nag-isip pa ako, ako ba ang you?
Out on the green grass, talking slow, but my heart's beating real fast. Though I'm thinking it's gonna be a real good day. Got some air in my lungs, I can finally breathe. Never felt this high, never felt this free. My fate was trapped in between four walls till you tossed me around and told me to let go. Now I can feel the ground.
Ayan guys, nandito ako sa cabin ni Mommy and Daddy.
Steady mo yung camera.
Ito guys, mapapakita ko sa inyo ng cabin. Ito po yung ano, yung backyard. Yan. Tapos ito yung bed. Tapos ito yung CR. Yan. So ayan na yung itutur ko guys. Thank you po.
I got sunshine all over my face. Blue skies in your eyes, you're the clearest day. We're higher down on the green grass, talking slow, but my heart's beating real fast. Though I'm thinking it's gonna be a real good day. Got some air in my lungs, I can finally breathe. Never felt this high, never felt this free. My fate was trapped in between four walls till you tossed me around and told me to let go. Now I can feel the ground beneath my feet. I can feel the ground. All my worries are washing all away. Rose-colored glasses, I hate to stay. All of my issues, all of my problems, they belong to yesterday. I'm alright, I'm okay. I know it's
Ba't
gonna
ginamit mo yung
be a
mantel?
good
Wow!
day.
Ay, kabay!
Good day. It's gonna
Hundred
be
number
a
286.
good day, good day, good day. It's gonna be. Don't know what I did, but I feel brand new.
Kuya, yung
No
kapatid mo!
point back on what I've been through. Yeah, I'm done handing out all my loose change, 'cause I was giving it away just to feel something that I don't ever wanna feel that way. I got sunshine all over my face. Blue skies in your eyes, you're the clearest day. We're higher down in the green grass, talking slow, but my heart's beating real fast. Though I'm thinking it's gonna be a real good day. Got some air in my lungs, I can finally breathe. Never felt this high, never felt this free. My fate was trapped in between four walls, till you tossed me around and told me to let go. Now I'ma feel the ground beneath my feet. I'ma feel the ground, I'ma feel the ground. All the worries I will wash them all away. Rose-colored glasses, I extend. All of my issues, all of my problems, they belong to yesterday. I'm alright, I'm okay. I know it's gonna be a good day. Good day, good day, good day.
So, ayun guys, yung sa loob ng cabin ni Mami sa ni Daddy. Siyempre, hindi ako matutulog dito. Kasama ko si Tito Tatan matutulog sa tent ko. Ayan guys, day 1. Itutur ko sa yung mga cabin guys. So, ayan. Ito yung interior. May cortina. Meron din isa. Tapos ito yung backyard. Tapos ito yung CR. Siyempre guys, yung ilog, pababaw naman. Gusto niyo ba ilog guys? Sige. Papakita ko na sa'yo. Papakita ko na sa inyo ilog. So, ayan guys. Ito yung ilog. So, ayan guys. Ito yung ilog, Angat River. Ito na po yung Angat River dito. Mababaw naman yung ilog guys. Mababaw naman yung ilog guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala. So, ayan. Ayan guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Day 1 na. Overnight kasi tayo guys eh. Ayan yung pool area. Kasama si Ma! Hi Doy! Oy, kaibigan ko yan. Si Axel. What's up, man? Mamaya pa kami ulit maliligo. Someone is rafting on a river.
Bibi, say hi. Hi. Ayun na. Yes, I'm cooking. You're cooking? Yeah. What are you cooking?
I'm cooking spaghetti para sa aming birthday boy. Yung bawang ko, bawas na.
Hey, yo, yo, yo. Siyempre. Hi guys. Time-lapse ba yan? Hindi. Dito kami ngayon sa Twin CJ Glamping Resort. Halika, Bibi. Bibi, say hi. Say hi. Hero sa vlog. Hi guys! Dito. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Nandun yung guys, oh. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Dito kami
Dito kami
sa
sa
Twin CJ
CJ
Glamping
Glamping
Resort.
Resort.
It's my birthday!
My birthday!
Ganda! Hi guys! So, nagsiset up ako para mag-cook kami ng samgyup! Bakit may block siya? Let's go! Outside. Look at the chandelier. Samgyup. We have grab here. Ayaw mabuksan? Grab.
Ayan guys, so gabi na. Tapos lang po magligo. So, hindi ko ako nagre-relax. Gabi na nga. So, ayan yung pool area.
Ayan guys, tulog na ang aming birthday boy. Time check. Anong oras na ba? It's 10 p.m. Ang ganda ng view. Dito lang yan guys, sa Twin CJ Riverside Glamping Resort. Hey kuya, bakit di ka pa natutulog? Ow. Yan si kuya, si tito tatay niya. Ano, glamping. Kayo?
Hi. Makabangon. Hi.
Giling si Nicole. Ayan guys, hanggang bukas kami dito guys. Ang check-in dito is 4 p.m. pero maaga kami dumating para masulit namin yung ano, swimming. Ayan. Tapos check out is 12 p.m. kinabukasan.
I got sunshine all over my face. Blue skies in your eyes, you're the clearest day. We're higher down in the green grass, talking slow, but my heart's beating real fast. Though I'm thinking it's gonna be a real good day. Got some air in my lungs, I can finally breathe. Never felt this high, never felt this free. My fate was trapped in between four walls till you tossed me around and told me to let go. Now I can feel the ground beneath my feet. I can feel the ground, I can feel the ground. All my worries
Dito na, picture ko na nga kayo.
rose colored
Video to.
glasses.
Layo.
All of my issues, all of my problems, they belong to yesterday. I'm alright, I'm okay. I know it's gonna be a good day. Good day, good day, good
Sleep ka na. Sleep na nga. Tcharan. Tomorrow naman.